Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the coolest and most powerful features of 11 Labs, the AI voice generator that's changing the game for creators, narrators, developers, and storytellers alike. If you're curious about what it can really do and why so many people are using it, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss more tech breakdowns and AI tool reviews. One of the biggest strengths of 11 Labs is its text-to-speech engine. You simply feed it any written text, script, article, narration, or dialogue, and it turns it into speech that sounds natural and human. Unlike older robotic TTS tools, 11 Labs uses advanced models that produce realistic rhythm, tone, cadence, and even subtle emotional nuance, giving your audio a much more polished, natural feel. Another standout feature is its multilingual and multi-accent support. Whether you need English, Spanish, French, or a different language or accent, 11 Labs supports dozens of languages and accents. That's a huge plus if you're working on content for a global audience or want to make your production more inclusive. If you want something more personalized, 11 Labs offers voice cloning and custom voice creation. With just a short voice sample, you can clone a voice, capturing pitch, accent, tone, and vocal quirks, so that the clone can read any text you want in a similar voice profile. On top of that, there's voice design/voice customization, which allows you to tweak parameters like age, gender, tone, accent, speed, or emotion to build a completely unique synthetic voice that suits your project. For creators working on longer content, like audiobooks, podcasts, narrated videos, 11 Labs is great for long-form speech generation. It keeps tone, pronunciation, and consistency stable even across long scripts, which means less editing and more reliable output for big projects. If you're a developer or building apps, games, chatbots, or interactive media, 11 Labs offers API and integration support. This lets you programmatically generate speech in real time or on demand, embed AI voices into apps, games, or virtual assistants, and scale voice generation smoothly across multiple use cases. Finally, and this is a big one for content creators, the latest version of 11 Labs includes advanced expressive control and multi-speaker dialogue support. You can insert tags or prompts that adjust tone and emotion, for example, making the speech sound excited, whispering, calm, or serious. And you can generate dialogues with multiple voices in a single file, perfect for storytelling, animated dialogues, podcast simulations, or dynamic narration. If you found this overview helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, share it with anyone curious about AI voice tools, and of course, subscribe for more honest tech reviews and guides. Dive into 11 Labs and see which features match your creative needs. You might be surprised at how much you can do without ever recording a single line yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.